All right. Shan, where is Pallava? It's in Mumbai. Okay, great. Great. Thane. All right, all right. Okay.
All right. So tell me one thing. How many of you are interested in mathematics, and which one is your favorite topic?
Okay, so Shan's favorite topic is SCF and LCM. It's easy, right? Okay, it's easy. Bhavishya is joining us from Hyderabad.
So what about others? Only Shan has informed that his favorite topic is SCF and LCM. What about others? Okay. So Sri Krishna's favorite topic is division and addition. Great, good to know that. I think your mentor is noting everything on her mental tablet, right? So we'll not make you wait for a longer time, because soon you'll be going to get to know that which topic you're going to do in your demo class today. So Mega Ma'am, can we have a chat links in the chat box? Ishwari, please turn on your camera.
Sure, ma'am. I believe my chat link is visible to everyone. It's visible? Show me thumbs up like this. Good. All right. Pooja, shall I proceed with the chat links?
Yeah, Mega Ma'am, your volume is very low. Can you please be a bit loud? Or you can just bring your mic a little bit near. Yes, you can read the chat links, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. Okay, ma'am. All right, kids. As you can see, the first link is all about our syllabus link. So if you know more about your syllabus, just click on this particular link. Payment can be made at this particular link. So if you're not enrolling for this batch, just click on this particular link and enroll for this batch quickly. You can share your feedback by this clicking on this particular link. All the batch details will have given in this by clicking on this particular link. In case of the further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or drop us a WhatsApp on these two particular numbers. If you're finding any internet glitch while having this demo, we are going live on Facebook. So you're just clicking on this particular link and show this demo. I hope the chat links is clear to everyone. Over to you, Pooja
All
ma'am.
right. Okay. Thank you so much, Mega Ma'am. So I'll not take much time because your mentor is already here with us. Now I would like to make you meet your mentor. She's a wonderful mentor. Her classes are very engaging and interesting because she always offers a chocolate questions to kids. Okay, so I always becomes very excited whenever her demos come. So all over to you, Priyasha Ma'am.
Thank you so very much. That was such a nice introduction. Thank you, Pooja ma'am. Good evening, everyone. And thank you so much for joining in on time. So, as ma'am was saying, chocolate questions is one of the USP of my classes for sure, where these questions are not just the previous year questions, but something you can expect in the coming Olympiads as well. But I have a question from my end to all of you right there. I want to know that mathematics is one of the primary subjects in school as well. So, when you're learning it for Olympiad perspective, what are the things which changes when you're doing it for the Olympiads? Can anyone tell me? Like, how is the Olympiads mathematics slightly different from the school maths? Any guesses, any ideas which pop up in your mind? You can tell me. There are no wrong answers to this. Difficulty level, time. Very good, Shan. You're hitting the right corners. Very good. That's right. Actually, it's not just the time limit, which is very, very different in the Olympiads, but also the difficulty level. Logic is new point added by Sri Krishna. That's right. Very good. Logic. Yep. See, one thing you people can see very well in all the Olympiads, MCQs, options, right? Using options as the friend is what we will learn in our classes as well, where we'll see that how you can actually solve the question so easily with the help of options without really getting into the crux of, solving the full question. I'm not saying this that you should not solve. In the classroom, we will definitely solve the full question, but then after doing the normal method, we will again leap down and see that what can be the shortcut here, ma'am, right? Some questions, of course, there's a possibility of a shortcut. Some questions there's not. So we'll do this discussion in our group classes. This is one benefit of doing it in a group session, that we will not be bothered about how the question is done in the actual method, but we'll see how using the options makes the question so simple. And as many of you have given me the idea in the chat box, Bhavishya, you are also correct. Logical thinking is a part of Olympiads, whether it's mathematics, science, or any other Olympiads you're going for. The first few questions are from logic related. So, there also mathematical reasoning is a part of your syllabus. So, when you are doing this, you get to see that it's not all about knowing the formula. Sometimes you have to break the formula and get the answer from it. Break the formula and get the answer from it. How to do that? That I'll show you in the demo and our regular sessions as well. Imagination environment, Shan? Environment wise different means school exams and Olympiad exams, that way. I need a more clarification. The people who are giving the exam. Oh, yeah, that's true. And yeah, you have to imagine what you can do in these questions and how you can get to the answer without solving the full question. How to work. So there are three pillars on which we will be working in our sessions: speed, accuracy, and the most important thing, accuracy, if you understand, is how right the questions are. Okay, like how many questions can you do correct in a given time frame. So speed, accuracy, and the most important part, that are the learnings from the questions. That means every question is not just, it's not that you are doing geometry, you get a question which is only from geometry. When you go to higher classes or when you go to Olympiad level mathematics, one question involves decimals also, geometry also, and somewhat mathematical operation like BODMAS also. So therefore, you have to be very, very clever here. You have to be very fast in understanding that, ma'am, I'll not stick to one way of solving the question. I can do it in various methods because there are various topics involved. So these are the three pillars on which we will try to make you better in the regular sessions. So we'll have a gist of it very soon in the demo. But before that, you'll have to go through a very important PPT where you will get to learn and understand how to use the platform, what are the important points regarding the classes, and you have to pay attention because ma'am will be asking you people questions. Okay, so watch the PPT nicely. Over to you, Pooja ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priyasha Ma'am. So, as Ma'am has already mentioned, that we are going to show you one informative PPT where you'll get to know about your course in detail. So, I think Mega Ma'am, we can have a PPT over here on the screen.
Sure, ma'am. Allow me a moment. I'm just sharing my screen. I believe my screen is visible to everyone, right?
Yes, it's visible now.
Okay. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. This is the demo and interaction program for grade 5 Mathematics Olympiad. So if I'm talking about Olympiad Success, so Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the first exclusive live classes for Olympiads. One of its yearly program that includes the courses that matters. We have 8 courses having mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes for grade 2 to grade 12. One-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad, SASMO, SEMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Maths Counts, US Common Core, Maths Kangaroo, and PRMO. These are the rank holders, like kids you only. So, and you can also come in these photos, but what you have to do, you have to just do 2 hours extra from regular curriculum so that you can also be here. So we have Olympiad session, group session with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience, having 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, from 5 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of breaks. This session includes a mix of theory, practice questions, doubt sessions, and previous year papers. You're getting a reading material and practice question available on dashboard of the Olympiad Success, having a free access of Olympiad Success platform, and it consists logical reasoning and maths for 10 to 15% of questions. So syllabus will be available on this, clicking on this particular link. I've already chatted in the chat box. The fee of this course is rupees 8,532. It's a 36 session course. Payment can be made by using this particular link. This fees includes online classes, daily routine notes and exercise, practice of previous year papers, and access of Olympiad Success platform. So what you all require? Your laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop for better audio clarity, and headphones for better audio clarity. So preparation of Olympiad exam is tougher than the regular exam. For you have to do a 2 hours curriculum, extra curriculum. So live classes started from Wednesday, which is 7th of August, 2024. So in 2023-24, Olympiad Success has students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Show me thumbs up like this. Over to you,
Good.
Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So great. So now I'll be going to take you through a dashboard wherein you'll get to know that how you can have access of your material. Just a moment, and then we are good to go. Hope my screen is visible to everybody. So students, what you have to do, you have to just enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com and you will get this page on your screen wherein you have to enter your user details. These details are those from which you will enroll for particular batch. So you have to use that ID only for it. Login in. So after logging in, you will get your personal details on your screen. Make sure that you check your details. In case you find any error in your details, you can just rectify it over here and update. So after this, you have to click on live classes in which you will get your complete material. You have to select your particular subject and topic. And then you can see this, everything is systematic over here. You have a schedule, reading material, question papers, and answer keys. So schedule will be going to give you a reference that in which session you're going to cover this specific topic. So you can see every chapter is bifurcated into different sessions along with the subtopics. So after completion of every chapter, there's a test discussion session also for you. That in case you have any doubt for a particular chapter, you can clear it from your mentor. Right? So there'll be super classes also in the last. So here is a holiday calendar so that you can keep this calendar in your knowledge because we do have festival holidays also that you can plan your days accordingly. So here is a reading material. There are 2 sets. So I'll be going to show you one set. Right? So you can see every topic is in detailed manner. And as you know that in Olympiad examination, the temptation of examination will be in a difficult note. So the concept is in detail for your better understanding. So here are the question papers. For your practice, I recommend you to just download the paper, take out the printout, solve it, and then check your answer keys. So you can see each and every PDF is downloadable. You can just download it and you can keep it safe in your device. So once you're done with the question paper, you can check your answer keys parallelly. For that, you have to just click it over here and you are good to go. So here is a more practice for you. So for that, you have to just click on worksheet, select your subject, and you can attempt your practice worksheets. So I'll be going to attempt this first worksheet for you that you'll get to know that how you have to attempt it. Make sure that you read instructions carefully while attempting your worksheet, that you should not commit any mistake while attempting. Select it, start your worksheet, and you can see there are 25 questions in worksheet. So in every worksheet, there are different questions. Okay, so different set of questions are there for your practice. So let's say I have done my first question. I have marked the answer. I have to move on next question. For that, click on next button. Let's say I have doubt in second question. I'm not very much sure with my answer. So I'll click this question for select and mark for review. So thing is, while clicking select and mark for review, the moment I'll be going to submit my worksheet, I'll get this question again to review it. Okay. So in this way, I'll be going to attempt all the question. This is just for reference. That's why I'm just showing you that how to attempt. So, but make sure that you attempt each and every question. So once I'm done, I'll be going to review my question. You can see that second question I've marked for review. So that is flashing in red color. So yes, I'm going to select my answer. Now I'm sure with my answer. Select it, next button, and then finish, submit your worksheet. So the best part is the moment you will attempt your worksheet, you can check your performance also parallelly for this worksheet also, that you will get an idea immediately that how much do you know about specific chapter. So again, you have to click on performance and subject. So you can see I've attempted this worksheet just now on 31st. So I'll be going to click on view button and I can see my performance over here. So I've attempted 3 questions wherein first is correct, other 2 are wrong. Okay, so you can click on review button wherein you'll get to know that how you have performed, which answer is correct, which is wrong. So you'll get an idea that from your mentor, you can ask in the next section. Okay, so that's all about dashboard. If anybody is having any doubt related to the course and dashboard, that how you can have access of your material, drop it in the chat box. We'll be going to answer your each and every query. If not, then definitely I have one tricky question for you, which I have taken out from the PPT. And then we'll start with your demo. Hurry up, or everything is clear. Nobody is having any doubt. Show me thumbs up on the screen if you don't have any doubt. I want all thumbs up on the screen. All thumbs up. Ishwari's thumbs up. I can't see. Turn on your camera, Ishwari. Okay, all right, good. So type it in the chat box. What are your class days and class timings? Hurry up, I'm waiting for your answers. What are your class days and timings? Because before this, we are not going to start your demo. So if you want to meet your mentor again, so quickly answer this question. Okay, Shan is saying, ma'am, can we see from the browser? I am not getting your question, Shan. What you want to see from your browser? Means you are talking about this demo or like your website dashboard tour. So please elaborate your question. Yes, Ishwari, all lectures are in English, but yes, it will be sometimes get bilingual also in case any child is not able to understand and they can ask from the mentor. So the mentor will be going to go for the bilingual also. Yes, Shan, dashboard, you can go for the browser. So you have to just enter the URL olympiadsuccess.com. Megham, can we have a chat links again? Okay, so type it in the chat box. What are the class days? Okay, days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Absolutely correct, Shri Krishna. Good job. So I think we are good to go for the demo. Will not take much time now. So all over to you, Priyasha Ma'am.
Thank you so much. I'll start sharing the screen, everyone, then. Okay. Any guesses on what topic are we learning today? Let's see, 2, 3 guesses, and then we'll start. No, shan't try. It's a 4-letter word. This makes it simple. A 4-letter word in a chapter of mathematics. Only 4 letters. 4 letters. Data. Christine is very close, but not correct. Okay, another one. This one is a very major hint. Okay, starts with a T. Oh, Bhavishya, there you go. That's right. Bhavishya can see the Bhavishya and tell the answer. Very nice. That's right. Time is what we will be learning right now. So I'm going on the PowerPoint. Okay, everyone is ready? Shall we get started? Okay, so let's see what we are going to cover today. We'll be covering up how to convert time, how to add time, how to subtract time, how to convert a 12-hour system into a 24-hour system. And then we will be doing finding the elapsed time. This is an English question. What's the meaning of elapsed? Oh my God, Shan has some gaming headphones. Shan, you know what? I share the same ones. Okay, when we join the sessions together, we'll have a lot of games together. All right then. So 12 hours to 24 hours is like I already told about it. I was asking you the meaning of elapsed. Elapsed. Anyone? The synonym of elapsed? The past time. That means the duration questions. For example, this demo started at 5 and it ends at 6. So what's the duration of the demo? 1 hour, like that. And based on that, we'll do some word problems as well. Okay? Yeah, very good, very good. Thank you for very, very nicely answering. Let's go and start with a switching quick, fast recap. 1 minute has how many seconds in it? Very good, very good. 2 right answers. 3, 4 right answers. Very nice. It's Shan, Shri Krishna, Suhanya, Christine, Tanishka, and Advaita. Very nice. You all are right. It is 60. So in that case, you all are aware that 1 hour is also 60, right? But one day has how many hours in it? One day has how many? Christine, Shri Krishna, Tanishka, Shan, Bhavishya, Advaita, Suhanya. You people are so fast. That's right, Shan. It's 24 hours. Very good, Ishwari. Very nice. Perfect. So now what we will be doing is we will check you a little bit on multiplication now. 5 minutes is how many seconds? 5 minutes is how many seconds? OMG. No, that's not true. Oh, I have the first correct answer in the chat box. Very good. Shri Krishna, you're going very fast, huh? With the speed of God. Advaita, very nice. Very good, Suhanya. Shan, I think you just mistyped something. Tanishka, okay. Bhavishya, Christine, very good. Typo. That's right. 5 into 60, 300. What if I tell you that I had 72 hours journey? So how many days journey? How many days journey? Wow, Shri Krishna, Bhavishya, Suhanya, very nice. Christine also, right answer. Good job, you people are very good. 3 is the right answer. Tanishka, Shan, correct. Now that we know this conversion and you people are aware of it, let's move down into the first category, which is going to be the adding of time. So the ones who are not aware of how to add the time properly, you can do it first by reading the steps on the screen. The step 1 says that you have to treat the hours, minutes and minutes and seconds separately. Second is to add up the columns. And third is to check whether any one of the columns except the hours column is exceeding 60 or not. If it does, then what to do, that I'll tell you. Oh, you people have already answered. But this is 85. How did you get a 35? No, I seriously am concerned about this. How 35? Are you people just checking? No borrowing. Shan, we are not subtracting, we are adding. So then no borrowing, but passing over. So I know that the columns should not exceed 60. Only for minutes and seconds I am saying it. So in that case, seconds will be like minutes, minutes. Can you please take 25 seconds from me? Like I'm just 25 seconds more than what I should be. Now, minutes would be saying that, oh, come on, I don't deal in change. If you want to give me something, please give me 1 minute. That is equals to how much? 60 seconds. Now, if seconds gives minutes 60 seconds, that becomes plus 1 minute for the minutes. And that's how the remainder left out in the seconds column will not be 35, my dear students. It will be 25. Don't see each other's answer and answer quickly. Do your own question. Solve it yourself. Okay? Am I going right here? Everyone is okay? 85 is what we get, but we are transferring 1 minute, that is 60 seconds, from the seconds column to the minutes column. Now, when I transfer this 1 minute, this becomes 51 minutes because 20 plus 30, 50 plus 151. And this is 4 only. So the answer is 4 hours, 51 minutes and 25 seconds, not 35. Got it, everyone? Clear? Any doubts? Thumbs up? Okay. Now we'll check for subtraction. Subtraction is where you will have to borrow. If the number at the top is smaller, then you have to borrow. Please borrow. I'll have some water meanwhile. Okay. People are taking time for this one. Ishwari and Naira, I can't see you. It will be really glad if I can see you people. Shan, given the answer. That's the last answer, right? This is subtraction. You added it. Okay, that was the last answer you said. Okay. Shri Krishna has given me an answer, but Shri Krishna, okay, fine. Let's see. Seconds is less, huh? So seconds will go to minutes and minutes will be like, what are you asking me? I am myself 10 less than the number below me. So they will go to the final rescuer, which is R. They will convert 3 hours into 2 hours and that 60 minutes will go and come here. 60 minutes will get added with 20 and make it 80. Now you all are okay with 80 and 30. Now 80 is more than 30. Since 80 is more than 30, we can now borrow. We can now borrow. So we can now borrow and make it 79, 59 plus 20 and add 60 to it. What do we get? 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 is 90. So 90 over here and 55 over here. Now this is a very common place where students do get confused. And why am I saying this? It's a good news for you people. I mean, your Priyasha ma'am is not just a teacher, but she also prepares Olympiads questions. So I can't tell you the names of the Olympiads, otherwise I'll get kidnapped. So I don't want to get kidnapped, and that's why I can't tell you exactly which Olympiads I make questions for. But yeah, that's how it is that I do send my questions to the Olympiad folks, and then they, on a what do you call? They spread it over the different sets. So what I was trying to tell you is when we are making questions, we are given some directions that make it in such a way which is a general trap for many people around. So for example, 90 minus 55 is a very common area of mistake. People give the answer as 45 almost every time. But as I see in the chat box, you people are genius. You all have not given the answer as 45. You all have given the answer as 35. So yes, we will end in 35 seconds, 49 minutes and 2 minus 1 hour. So the answer is 1 hour, 49 minutes and 35 seconds. Any doubts, any questions, anyone? No? That's good. Thank you. Now, another category, which is converting a 12-hour into 24-hour. That's very simple. All you need to do is do a plus 12 to get the answer in the 24 hours pattern. For example, the demo started at 17:00. What does that mean? The demo started at 5 p.m. Okay, one more thing, everyone. Is this right? Is this right? What I've written on the screen? Shri Krishna writes a big no. Why? Shan, no. Suhanya, yes. Okay, yes and no. Both people can tell me the reason why. Christine, no. What do you think, Naira? Type it in the chat box. Tanishka, Ishwari, what do you guys think? Shri Krishna says that 24 hours should not have hours. Bhavishya, what do you think? Is this the right way of writing time? 17:00 p.m. No. Okay. I see your camera. No. Ishwari says yes. Shan says because 24 hours should not have the hours. It should be 5 p.m. Okay. So you all have found out the right logic or the right reason for eliminating it. PM is not going to be there in a 24-hour system. Imagine what's the point of having a 24-hour system if we write a AM PM again, right? So post-meridian and ante-meridian, they are just apart when we are repeating the same digit again and again, like 8 p.m., 8 a.m. In that case, we use AM PM. But if 8 is written as a 20, then there is no need to write a PM. Okay, good then. Let's go to the next one. Please convert it back and tell me what time is this in PM or AM. Don't forget to write a AM or PM to your answer. Full answer, Shan. Full answer. Minutes and seconds are also there. Good, Shan. Good, Christine. Good, Sri Krishna. What about others? Eleven in the night, PM. Yes, that's right. Okay, fine. Good to go, everyone. 12 minus 23 minus 12 is 11, 20, 30 PM. Let's go next. Here's the duration of time. Can you people tell me the difference between this? For example, a movie started at 9:30 and ended at 10:30 a.m. So it's a simple 1 hour. What would be the duration between 8:40 p.m. and 10:27 p.m.? You can do that by writing it down on a piece of paper, and you can also do that orally. I would recommend you doing any one of the ways you are comfortable in. I'll tell you how to do it orally also. Okay, Shri Krishna. Okay, Suhanya. Okay, Christine, very nice. Let's see now. So the real method is 1027 minus 840. I know 27 is less, so I'll make it 9 and I'll make it plus 60. That means 87. 87 minus 40 is 47 and this is 1. So 1 hour 47 minutes is absolutely right. This is how you do it on pen and paper. But suppose I ask you how to do it mentally or orally, then you will say, ma'am, 8:40 plus 20 minutes makes 9 o'clock. And from 9 o'clock, it is 1 hour and 27 minutes to 10:27. So 1 hour 27 minutes added with 20 minutes gives me 1 hour and 47 minutes. This is how you can do this question mentally and orally as well. Any doubts? Any questions? No. Good. Okay, this one is my favorite. Let's see how many of you get it right. Shan has got the answer. Shri Krishna has got the answer. And I'm extremely happy to say that your answers are wrong because you fell in the trap. Christine, congratulations. You also fell in the trap. Yes, Shan, you got the right thing now. AM, PM. This is how the question paper setters trick your mind, you know. We are evil people. Well, this is when you practice these type of questions in the classroom, you will know where to be cautious while doing these questions in the exam. That's the benefit. All right, then. Suhanya has changed her answer. I mean, given her new answer, or maybe it was the first time you've answered. Suhanya? Okay. Shan, your answer is like slightly different from Suhanya, so we'll have to check. What about others? Now, others have a tough task. Whom to choose? Shall we go with Suhanya's answer or shall we go with Shan's answer? Don't worry, in the real classes, you will not see the answers coming from anyone. Ma'am would be in her wicked mode and she would turn off the chat to myself so that only I, me, myself can see your messages. You cannot see your other friends' messages. I don't want everyone to see the messages of each other. Christine's answer matches with Suhanya. Okay. Yeah, you can directly send it to me like this also, Shan. Very nice. Advaita, just 35? Shri Krishna's answer matches with Shan. Now it's time I think I should intervene, okay? So 10:45 a.m. to 10:45 p.m. is 12 hours. Yes or no? So 12 hours come straight from here. The girls who were getting 11 hours, please make sure that the answer is definitely more than 12 hours. Now, after you reach 11:45, you have 30 minutes more to make it as, 10:45, you have 30 minutes more to make it 11:45. So 12 hours and 30 minutes, 12 and a half hours. You can also call it like that. Okay, okay? Okay, okay. All right, fine. And if you people are comfortable doing calculations in the 24-hour system, then you can convert 11 into 23 and write 23:15 minus 10:45. Okay, that will also fetch you the same answer. Okay, good to go. Let's move to the next question then. Welcome to the first chocolate problem of the day. Monty was solving a puzzle. So the time when he started versus the time when he ended is on your screen. Start time, end time. This is a check on how well you can read the time. The reading time is also a skill you learned long back. I got only one answer. Yeah, Shan, say no. I cannot unmute you. Can you type it? Christine has given me the answer. Christine, convert it into minutes. I think that's calculation mistake, Christine. Your hours answer is correct. Just convert it correctly into minutes. Shri Krishna, now tell me the difference quickly. In minutes, guys, look at the options in minutes. Yes. So the start time is 5:55 and the end time is 7:25. Now you all know this thing very clearly. If you want to do it mentally, then 7:25 minus 6 would have been 1 hour 25 minutes. And 5 minutes more is 1 hour 30 minutes. And if you want to convert 1 hour 30 minutes into minutes, then 1 hour is 60 and plus 30 is going to be 90. So 90 is my right answer. Any questions? No? Good. Then we are heading towards our second chocolate question. Have one answer. Read the question carefully, everyone. It's very, very important. Ah, nice. 1 hour. Okay, okay. Okay. I'll not say the answer. You guys are intelligently sending me directly. Nice. So I'll maintain your privacy. And I'll start the question now. So Rohan left his house at 7:45 a.m. and walked for 15 minutes, which makes it 8 a.m. Now he boarded the bus immediately. So he boarded the bus at 8 and dropped him at school at 9:15. So the journey time is gonna be 9:15 minus 8 a.m., which is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Any doubts, anyone? Okay, let's do a rapid fire. Quickly convert 1 hour 15 minutes into minutes. 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 1 hour 15 minutes into minutes. Ah, no, Shan. Shri Krishna, first right answer. Let's see, just two more ranks. Shan, 1 hour 15 minutes. Suhanya, second right answer. Shan, third right answer. Okay, Tanishka, Advaita, all correct. Vavishya, correct. No problem. Shan, typos happen. Christine, correct. Yes, Sri Krishna, right. 75. Very good. Okay, then let's have another question. This another question is going to be interesting because it's related to Batman. How come you people give so fast answers? Yes, Shan. How to know your doubt then? Type it. Sri Krishna has given an answer. Hmm. Yes, Shan, I'm reading. Only Sri Krishna has answered. What about others? Okay, Shan, I'm trying to understand. Then what's the question? Let's see, Christine. Okay, Sri Krishna, how did you get the answer? Let's check it. He changed his answer. People, please understand that Batman has started flying from New York at 5 p.m., right? This is 5 p.m. on a Sunday, and he's reaching Mike's school on a Monday. That means if this guy would have reached on 5 p.m. Monday, then it would have been 24 hours. But it's actually 4 hours, 30 minutes more than that. So it's technically 4.5, that is 28.5 hours journey. Out of this 28.5 hours, Batman is not flying continuously. Batman rested in a hotel for 4 hours. And therefore, we will subtract the 4 hours from the total hour of the journey, and this becomes 24.5 hours. That is 24 hours and 30 minutes. Is that okay, everyone? Understood? Shan, your answer is 22. Okay, fine. Now, one more question, everyone. Actually, two questions. The next question is this. Be careful. Be careful in answering it. Priya visited a restaurant for dinner. She reached the restaurant at 8 p.m. sharp. The waiter immediately took her order and conveyed it to the cook. The cook started preparing the dish at 8:10 and served it to Priya at 8:35. If she took 35 minutes to eat and 15 minutes to pay the bill, at what time did she leave the restaurant, considering she left immediately after paying the bill? Every line in this question is not important. Oh, your name is also Priya. Wow. Perfect then. Matching up. My name also starts with a Priya. I have answers from sorry guys, I changed the screen. Yeah. The answer from Sri Krishna, answer from Suhanya, answer from Shan, and Sri Krishna is dancing because once you give the question, the rest of the time should be done like this. Okay, fine. Let's read the question. First of all, the first line, Priya visited a restaurant. Not important. Second line, she reached the restaurant at 8 p.m. Not important. Third line, the waiter took her order and conveyed it to the cook. Not important. What is important? We start right from here. Okay, even the cook started preparing the dish at 8:10 is not important. At 8:35, Priya started eating. 35 minutes to eat the food, 15 minutes to pay the bill. That means exactly 8:35 plus 50 minutes is what you have to do. Now, if you are doing this question mentally, then I would recommend everyone to think like this. 8:35 to 1 hour, 9:35. But instead of 9:35, 10 minutes less, so 9:25. So the answer becomes 9:25 p.m. everyone. 9:25 p.m. And as you see, till here, the question is called as superfluous. Superfluous. I teach this to my reasoning students. Superfluous information. Krishna, superfluous means extra information, not so important information. Okay, extra data. That's superfluous. And this is superfluous to us because we don't want this information. So in Olympiads, you have to learn this skill of filtering which information is important for you and which information is not. Is that okay? All right, then. So, with this comes the last question, which is the most important question for the day. And I don't know if you know the answer of it, but you have to answer in the chat box quickly. The last question is, how was the class? Info means information. Like filtering coffee. Yes. Thank you. I'm so happy. Krishna found it good. Tanisha found it nice. Christine found it nice. Thank you so much. I myself enjoyed a lot. I'll be honest, guys. I had a severe headache few minutes before your class, But you people are so energetic, so enthusiastic that ma'am regained her energy and she was like happy, happy. Okay. Thank you so much, Kanishka Bhavishya. Thank you so much, Christine. So then I will be meeting you people in the next regular session then. And if you need any more information about the classes or any other information, you can ask Olympiad Success about it. Okay. You can just message them on their WhatsApp number or call them up. Fine then. See you soon. Yeah, no worries, Sri Krishna. I understand that our questions are done. So it looks like Sri Krishna wanted to do more questions, right? We'll do more questions in our regular sessions, okay? Fine then. Advaita, thank you so much. Thanks, Shan. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. See you in the regular sessions. Tada. Bye.